Today's tip is about why I need to go to a memory disorder clinic. Hi, it's me, Linda Burhans, the gal who cares for the caregivers with love, laughter, and lessons learned. I have my friend with me, Dr. Karen Truman, today, and she's going to talk to you about memory disorder clinics. So very important.
Hi, I'm Karen Truman. I'm the president and founder of Dementia Caregiver Resources, and I do core training, which is assisted living administrator wannabes, if you will. I do the staff training for Alzheimer's, and I facilitate a lot of support groups. Wrote my book too, and there's just a lot of information out here. But the most important thing, I think, is making sure that your loved one, whoever that loved one is, it could be a young person, it could be an older person, it could be a parent, a spouse, it doesn't matter. But if the doctor says that they have a dementia, I would find a new doctor. That's the way I go about it, because you need to find out what kind of dementia. With over 100 different forms of dementia, what are we dealing with? What kind are we talking about? How is it treated? Different dementias have different medications that they might have to go on. There's a lot of different criteria for things. Are there special programs? Are there, like Parkinson's has a lot of different things that people can go and do to help themselves. Alzheimer's, we have a lot of different programs for Alzheimer's patients, residents, adult daycare, different things like that. But the biggest thing is to get a proper diagnosis. And where do you go to get something like that? My favorite places are the memory disorder clinics. We have memory disorder clinics all over the world. I don't care what country you're in, there's memory disorder clinics. We have, right here in Florida, we have 17 memory disorder clinics. They're not hard to find. Does insurance cover it? You bet it does. Okay. I don't know about some insurances, you'd have to double check that, but with original Medicare or, different kinds of insurance like that, most of the time 100% is covered. I took my mom to a memory disorder clinic. Best decision I ever made. Gave me a lot of comfort knowing that was all I could do for her. And they recommended an adult daycare center. They recommended certain things that I should be doing to assist her and to make sure I didn't use certain wordage, so to make sure that she understood what I wanted and to make sure that she was okay and safe. That's the important thing here. Make sure they're safe. You're going to get some fallback from some family members possibly, but when you have this information in black and white, you have a report. This is what the brain looks like. They're going to do neuroimaging. They're going to do psychiatric testing. They're going to do all the physical testing. They're going to do a lot of testing to find out, and they're going to go with a whole team to see. The team is going to say, yes, we think based on our findings, our brain scan, our MRI, our blood work, whatever kind of imaging they're going to do or whatever kind of testing they're going to do, the team is going to come together and they're going to make recommendations. This is what needs to happen, or this is what we would say has to be done. Get your legal affairs in order. Very important step on this journey. If you need to find a memory disorder clinic, please Google it. Type in your zip code, type in, memory disorder clinic, and you should find something. It's just they're not that hard to find.
Thanks, Karen, and I'm glad to hear that there are memory disorder clinics all over the United States. So if you need more information, there'll be a link below where you can find a memory disorder clinic in your area. Thanks, and have a delicious day. And don't forget, tune in next week for another tip sponsored by Arden Courts, where all they do is memory care.